Good day everyone, I'm Ronaline Diaz from BTB TV. Today I'll show you how to make cocktail. So here's my ingredient. Strawberry juice, pineapple juice, lime, mint, mojito, and then lastly ice. So let's start. So the first one is the strawberry juice. And then the next one is pineapple juice. And then let's mix it together. And the next one is lime. Let's add some ice. And then the rum. Wait. And then let's stir. And then for the final touch, let's add some lemon. And lastly, the mint. So that's all. Thank you.